You're about to watch an operation planned to precision. A Spanish civil defense officer greets the MV Hondius.
MV Hondius, MV Hondius.
It's a warm welcome for the virus-stricken cruise ship. By dawn, health officials boarded to make sure the ship's passengers showed no signs of infection. Waiting at the port, a sight reminiscent of COVID. The Spanish led the way. A moment of relief as they reached home soil before journeying by bus straight to the aircraft waiting to fly them out. Can you give us an idea of the kind of prep you've done in the last few days?
This operation is an unprecedented operation. I want to thank to the WHO, to the ECDC, to all the administrations, all the countries that are involved. This operation requires the cooperation of 23 countries. I want to remark this. 23 countries are involved in this operation.
It's all happening really fast. It takes about 20 minutes from the moment the passengers step off the ship, get onto a bus and head to the airport. The UK's ambassador to Spain revealed to Sky News 2 dual nationals opted not to fly to the UK. He told us the COVID experience has helped with this operation.
The health professionals will be on the flight with the 20 Brits in due course. So I think what kicks in is, right, what do we need to do? Who do we need to tell? How do we need to get together? And my job above all was to talk to the top of the Spanish system. Yeah? So I was immediately on the phone to Spanish ministers to make sure that everything was in place. And I have to say they have been absolutely impeccable from day one.
What was it like for you when you first heard about the virus and that it was coming here? Just talk a bit about how you personally felt.
I guess I have a job, we have a job, which is to make sure that we look after Brits abroad.
It's not over yet. Jubilation from British passengers as they depart, but concern for the French after one of their nationals showed symptoms during their repatriation flight. It has forced France to impose strict isolation on 5 passengers. Why should we not be worried about the French case? Why does that not worry you?
Of course, there could be symptoms, but it may not be even associated with hantavirus. Of course, it should be checked. But with age comes many health challenges. That was actually one of the concerns we had with this ship, because many of them are elderly and they have many other chronic conditions, and there could be symptoms associated with those. So there are symptoms, it doesn't mean that it's related to hantavirus.
As some passengers remain on the ship ahead of scheduled departures tomorrow, a deadline looms. Bad weather is due to hit part of the Canary Islands, and a dark cloud now hangs overhead. Sadia Chowdhury, Sky News, on the Canary Islands.